Hello again, Fishalots. I'm John with Fishing with Johnnyfishalot, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how versatile and how easy it is to tie a surgeon's loop knot. And so the first step is you're just going to fold your line just like that, and then you're going to make a second loop, just like that. So here's your first loop, and here's your second loop, and now I'm just going to pass this first loop underneath this loop 2 times. 1 and 2. And so you should end up with something like that right there. And all you do is you tighten it up. And that's it. You're done. That is a surgeon loop knot right there. And that is just an incredibly versatile knot to use. Super easy. You could easily swap out weights if you want to. So here's a weight. You simply take the swivel, pass a loop through, just like that. You pass the weight through the loop, just like that, and there you have it. It's connected. If you want to switch it out, you simply push open the knot, just like that. And you can swap it out for something else. So here you go. Here's a swivel. If you're using, if you're tying leader materials, so here's a swivel, same deal. You pass it right through the swivel, just like that. You put the swivel in between, like that. And there you go again. You're all ready to go. So this could be the top of your rigging material or your leader. And that is the surgeon's loop knot. Super easy, super effective, super strong, ready to go. Made for any beginner or experienced Fishalot alike. Well, all right, Fishalots, I hope you got value out of this video. And if you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that when I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, I'll see you out there on the water.